A historic trial in Argentina. Former President Cristina Fernández de Kirchner sentenced to 6 years in prison for fraud and disqualified from ever holding public office again. On Tuesday, Kirchner's supporters gathered outside the court to hear the judge's verdict.
Condenar a Cristina Elizabeth Fernández de Kirchner a la pena de 6 años de prisión.
The court found Kirchner guilty on administrative fraud over contracts for public works in the province Santa Cruz during her presidency between 2007 and 2015. The former president and current vice president insists she is innocent. There was anger outside the court and inside Kirchner's office.
Esto es un estado paralelo y mafia.
A parallel state and mafia is what Kirchner called the court, while confirming she will not run for office in next year's elections. Kirchner and her supporters say this is a case of lawfare, using legal proceedings to intimidate an opponent. They point to the example of Brazilian President-elect Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, who was imprisoned before the 2018 elections on charges later dismissed by the Supreme Court.
Es un paso más del golpismo institucional.
It's one more step in the institutional coup that Argentina is facing today. There is a coup underway. It's judicial, it's economic, it's in the media, and it's happening now.
The opposition celebrated the guilty verdict. A statement from the Juntos por el Cambio coalition saying the trial was exemplary and proves nobody is above the law. Cristina Fernández de Kirchner is a divisive figure amongst Argentines, and this ruling adds to increasing political tension in Argentina. The tension goes beyond polarised politics and differences of opinion. In September, Kirchner survived an assassination attempt outside her own home as she returned from one of the hearings during this trial. Kirchner's appeal process could last years, but the former president also faces trial in 2 more graft cases. Joel Richards for CGTN in Buenos Aires.